State of calamity up over 3 Luzon provinces. The large damage because of the Typhoon Cosme in the eastern Luzon provinces of Pangasinan, La Union, and Zambales was stated on a state of calamity. The GMA flash report said that in Pangasinan alone, the local disaster coordinating council said that 11 people had already been killed, while damage to agriculture was pegged at around 1.3 billion pesos. The government made a move already by giving the usual relief goods like food and medicine. The local government said they are in need of construction materials for the rebuilding of the damaged houses. The Typhoon Cosme destroyed many agricultural businesses. The typhoon destroyed the corn plantations, meanwhile, were estimated to be 1 million pesos and a much bigger 8 million pesos were lost in the vegetable farming sector. Then, the province of Zambales has also placed in state of calamity. The Zambales provincial government stated that 100 more sacks of rice that would be rationed off to affected families in Santa Cruz town, a second-class municipality believed to be the worst hit among the province's 13 towns. Then, as the Pag-asa updated, the Typhoon Cosme moves further away from the country. The typhoon was estimated to be 660 kilometers east-northeast of Basco, Batanes. This typhoon destroyed many things, so that we should help them even in a small thing that can help them to live, like giving or donating clothes, food, money, and medicine. This is Anne of Synergy.